Now, you want to dance? You want to dance for your dinner? You want to dance for your dinner? Yeah? Okay. So you ring your bell, and now you dance for your dinner. What a good girl. What a big show-off. Yes. What a big show-off. Huh? You're a good girl. Ring that bell, baby. Ring that dinner bell. Now dance a little. Come on, dance for me. What you doing? What do you mean, come on? You want Mom to come on with the dinner? Pretty girl. Such a pretty girl.